Good evening, everyone. My devotion for today is from the book of Genesis, chapter 8, verse 1 to 4. Says, "But God remembered Noah and all the wild animals and the livestock that were with him in the ark. And he sent a wind over the earth, and the waters receded. Now the springs of the deep and the floodgates of the heavens that had been closed, and the rain had stopped falling from the sky. The water receded steadily from the earth. At the end of the 150 days, the waters had gone down. And on the 17th day of the 7th month of the ark came to rest on the mountain of Ararat." Amen.
Good morning, everyone. My devotion for today is from Genesis chapter 8, verse 5 to 8. The Lord said, "The waters continued to recede until the 10th month, and on the first day of the 10th month, the tops of the mountains became visible. After 40 days, Noah opened a window he had made in the ark, and sent out a raven, and it kept flying back and forth until the water had dried up from the earth. Then he sent out a dove to see if the water had receded from the surface of the ground." The word of the God. Amen.
A blessed day to everyone, and our devotion for today is found in Genesis chapter 8 verses 9 to 12. And it says, "But the dove found no place to set her foot, and she returned to him to the ark, for the water were still on the face of the whole earth. So he put out his hand and took her, and brought her into the ark with him. He waited another 7 days, and again he sent forth the dove out of the ark. And the dove came back to him in the evening, and behold, in her mouth was a freshly plucked olive leaf. So Noah knew that the waters had subsided from the earth. Then he waited another 7 days and sent forth the dove, and she did not return to him anymore." To God be the glory in reading His Word.
Noong unang araw ng unang buwan, tuluyan ng bumaba ang tubig. Si Noe ay 601 taong gulang na noon. Binuksan niya ang takip ng barko, at nakita niya na tuyo na ang lupa. Nang 27 araw ng 2 buwan, tuyong-tuyo na talaga ang lupa sa buong mundo. Sinabi agad ng Diyos kay Noe, "Lumabas."
Good morning! Our daily devotion for today is from the book of Genesis, chapter 8, verse 16, 17, 18, and 19. It says, "Go out from the ark, you and your wife, and your sons wives with you. Bring out with you every living thing that is with you of all flesh, birds and animals, and every creeping things that creeps on the earth, that they may swarm on the earth, and be fruitful and multiply on the earth." So Noah went out, and his sons and his wife and his sons' wives with him. Every beast, every creeping things, and every bird, everything that moves on the earth, went out by families from the ark. So sa chapter po na ito po yung paghupa ng baha, at sila po ay pinalabas na po ng ating Panginoon mula sa ark, kasama silang buong pamilya at ang kanilang mga alagang hayop po. So ayan po. Have a blessed Wednesday, everyone.
Genesis chapter 8 verses 20 to 22 says, "Then Noah built an altar to the Lord, and taking some of all the clean animals and clean birds, he sacrificed burnt offerings on it. The Lord smelled the pleasing aroma and said in his heart, 'Never again will I curse the ground because of man, even though every inclination of his heart is evil from childhood. And never again will I destroy all living creature as I have done. As long as the earth endures, seed time and harvest, cold and heat, summer and winter, day and night will never cease. Amen.